Hi, my name is Amanda Babb, and I have your student in Math Lab this year here at Rocky. A little bit about me. I have a husband, Billy, who works for CSU, and I have 3 kiddos that all go to Centennial Elementary School in Loveland, and I grew up in Loveland and have been around here for a long time. I really love being outdoors and being active. I've been teaching for 14 years. This is my 4th year here at Rocky. And I'm excited to have your student this year in Math Lab. So Math Lab is a unique class as it is set up to be a math support class. So your student should be involved in a math class of some sort, and I'm here to support them. The class is an elective credit where I will have their first priority be every single day to get their math work out, to do any math assignments, homework, anything they need to be caught up on, study for tests. And that's going to be a big part of their grade, is utilizing that class time to stay up on their math classes and their math work. Once they've finished their assignment, or if they don't have an assignment, there is a program called Mathia that we're going to use online, and I can assign different lessons based on what your student is doing to help them build skills, to help them reinforce skills, to go along with what they're doing, to review previous material, and they will need to complete 2 of those every day after they finish their math work. But their math work is their #1 priority. I'm a math teacher. I teach other math classes, but I am in Math Lab to support your students. So again, it is important that they bring that work on their math. Once they're done with their math, then complete 2 lessons in Mathia. If they finish, they can work on other classwork or read or something else productive that's not going to be distracting to others, but their grade is going to be based on whether they use that math lab time to do their math work, and then to complete 2 lessons in Mathia, because that is the curriculum that goes along with Math Lab. The daily work, doing that, using their time in completing lessons and completing their math homework and math assignments and studying, that's worth 75% of their grade, and I'll give them a stamp or points every single day based on whether they use the time or not. There is a 15% of their grade that is self-assessment that we will do at the very end of the quarter, and then the other 10% is made up by their current math grade. I try to update grades pretty frequently. Once we get going, I'll update their current math grades every couple weeks or so. But again, that biggest portion of their grade is going to be what they do while they're here with me during that math lab time. The best way to get a hold of me if you have questions or anything about this presentation or throughout the quarter or throughout the semester is through email. This is my email address here, abab@psdschools.org. I'm good about checking email, and I will get back to you in a very timely manner. If you have anything else I can clarify, questions, or anything, please let me know, but I'm looking forward to a great semester with your students this year. Thanks so much.